Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tomato curry. We add peanut and sesame seeds for a different taste. We can serve this tomato curry along with chapati or roti. Let's move to the video. In a pan, roast 2 tablespoon peanuts for 3 minutes on low flame. Add 5 pieces of cashew nuts, half teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 medium sized cinnamon stick, 1 clove, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Mix it well. Roast for 1 minute on low flame. Cool down and transfer into a grinder. Add 2 tablespoon coconut pieces. Add half cup of water. Grind it into a paste. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 chopped onion, 1 chopped green chilli, 4 to 5 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 4 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now add the previously prepared coconut paste. Add 1 cup of water. Stir well. Boil for 5 minutes on low flame. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our tomato curry for chapati is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.